zooming. She's just zooming through. But what I'm working on today is I have a lot of plants to rearrange. The project that I'm doing, I'm half dreading and half looking forward to because there's some fun plants I'm going to be putting in here. But it's the hardest place to work in, so I'm kind of half dreading it. But I'm just going to bust it out. I have about 3 hours and hoping to get it done. See how far I get. Let me bring you in a little closer. I have the roses soaking right now, and so that's going to be 3 hours. So I think I'm just going to dig the holes, and then when I'm done at the very end, I'll come in and plant those because they need to soak for 3 hours. So that's my time frame. So I think it'll work out great. Okay, wow. This is why I was dreading this. I got some holes dug. I think they're good. They're pretty deep. I don't know if you can tell, but I need to think about this. I don't know if you saw me standing there contemplating because I'm trying to figure out exactly what I'm gonna do. I think the roses are perfect here. I like them. The peonies, leaves will all be up. Little plane going by. And so I have this catmint here, and it needs to be more forward. I need taller things in the back. So I'm definitely gonna put my dogwoods here, and I was just thinking, oh my goodness. I don't wanna do it. I think I'm gonna move this bush over there by that other 9 bark. Those are kind of behind the pine tree anyway. And then I'm gonna have to do 2 separate holes. One here, because I want 1 dogwood here and 1 dogwood here. Or maybe I can do 1 here and 1 here so I don't have to dig 2 holes. But I'm just trying to think of how, I want to center it. so I probably want to do them like here. So that means not in the hole that's already dug, but it's okay. That tool totally helped me. I don't know what it's called, but I've seen my husband use it and it worked awesome. So, and now I need to figure out what I'm going to do with my hydrangea. I think I will stick it somewhere over here. I'm going to look around and contemplate, and maybe I'll move the other catmint. This is what I think I'm going to do. I'm really liking groupings. So I think I'm going to put the other catmint by this catmint. I don't know if that's enough room, but I think that will be a bigger impact there. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I might even move this Gara up here. There's more space, but I think that will be pretty underneath the pine tree, and it will get more sun than it will back here, because it definitely just needs to be somewhere else, especially now that those roses are in. I don't really know what to put in between, but I think those dogwoods will get pretty big, and that'll be just about enough space. So I need to think about it. Hopefully you can hear me. I've moved a lot of things. This spirea was here and I moved it there. I moved this catmint from over there to here. I think that would be good to have this catmint and this catmint. This is a larger variety, so that's like a blue. And then I had an orange coneflower here. It's the melon one from Proven Winners. I just had one, but I'm going to move it in a different spot, and I'm going to put these. I just got these the other day, and I think they'll be so pretty next to this blue purple color of these catmints. I think they'll do well here because the soil is really dry. So I am gonna probably make this area a little bigger and put all three of these here. So I think that will be good. I wanted to move the orange one because those roses are orange. Those are the Atlas roses. And I just need a different color up here. And I think this red will just be striking, especially from a distance as you're looking from over here. So then I have a spot for this. I'm gonna put it over here on this side of the creek. I'll show you in a minute. And I also have some denim and lace that I was gonna plant with it over there. So I'm gonna do that. I'm kind of racing the clock. Look at the rain. I can do it. I knew this would be such a pain. I'm gonna have to do the dogwoods later, but let's get going. I didn't say what name these are. These are the Summerific Summer Song Firefinch. Perspective shot. So there's the creek right there, the waterfall. So this is the rock garden up on top here. So this little terraced place. So I got those roses in just in the nick of time. I got 10 more minutes and then I gotta go inside. But I moved this spirea up here and it's so much better. I think that's so nice. It's a little bit lower. It should have been planted there anyway. My landscaper planted things in places that were a little farther back that probably needed to be more up front. Watch out, pipe. And then we've got some sedum here and some sedum here, and here are the roses. So I put one rose here and then one rose there. So I think that'll be perfect to have the roses there. I'll put the dogwood in the back when I have time, and they'll get pretty tall, hopefully to cover up that fence. Sorry, it's really windy. I'm hoping with my microphone you can hear, hopefully. So I think that looks so much better. And then I did take out those irises, and I'll give those away or something, or transplant them somewhere else in my yard. But I already have enough in here with that and that other one over there. Okay, so let's come along here on top of the wall. So this spirea was back there. So the catmint that was there, I moved here. It's looking a little sad. I'm hoping it perks up with all this rain that's headed our way. And I think that would be nice to have one big impact there and one there, the same plant. Those are catmint, so those will be big and blue and beautiful, and I like them grouped together. So I moved the spirea that was there because it's lower in front here by my alliums, and I think that'll be a good contrast. And then maybe sometime I'll put some kind of red something here, but I do have kind of this red sedum right here, so I like to have all the different colors. And then I have the proven winners. They firelight, I can't remember. I showed them earlier, right here. And I think these are going to be so good here, and they'll make a good backdrop to these Atlas roses, which are orange down here on the lower level of these rocks. So that's good. Like I said, I hope this catmint perks up. I think it should. They're pretty hardy. I think I'll leave those there, and then we'll figure out what we're going to do here. This is the third year for this iris, and there's so many buds on it this year. I'm so excited. It's the third year for a lot of my plants, and so I'm just glad they're about ready to burst. So exciting. Okay. So it'll be good right here. I need something tall right here. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but I'm going to get ideas for something fun. So there'll be dogwood, something taller in the back here, especially to block this big pole here that used to be like a baseball cage in my neighbor's yard. Here's the hydrangea. I believe this is a little lime. Not 100% sure, but it's going to be so cute. I think it'll get a good amount of sun there, so it'll be okay. I also wanted to mention with these roses, the sun comes right through here in the summer. So let me go slow here. While this looks like it might be shady, it gets hit with sun like right here a good portion of the day. And there are some roses, if you look at the David Austin website, that can tolerate some shade, and the Gertrude Jeyklls are one of them. And so I think they'll be just fine here. The only thing I'm a little concerned about are these poppies right here, but I think they'll be fine just because the spirea is blocking them. We'll just see how they do. But anyway, that's it. I'm dirty, I'm grubby. I'm gonna go inside and get ready, but thank you so much for joining me today, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.